Okay, so we're making a template. We've got to get it close to the wall. So I'm pulling up any staples that are in there and the trim, the little plastic trim that went around it. I just cut it with a razor blade right where it went up the wall here. Look at the big staples that they used. The last dummies that tried to fix this. Okay, so we've already got it glued on that end. And now we just want to get this approximate. Score it with the knife and just break it. Could have cut that a little longer, but let's see if it'll work here. Got the hot glue gun going already. Put a dab on there. I've got a pretty small hot glue gun, but it works. Now I don't think it has to be super tight to the wall, mainly because we're going to be putting trim on it. And the trim will hide anything like that. Alright, that's it.